Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Few days back we did the initial impressions and review of the Galaxy M10. So today we have the Galaxy M20 with us. So let's check out the specifications, the performance, the camera and how it is different from the Galaxy M10. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, this is how the box looks like, which holds the Galaxy M20, which is similar to that of M10. Towards the back, all the specifications are written. The major highlight is the 5000 mAh battery and the 6.3-inch Full HD Infinity V display, and the rest of the specifications we can cover on later on in the video. So moving to the charger, we get a fast charger out of the box that supports like 2 ampere 9 volt charger. It supports fast charging. It's not that fast, but still it can charge the 5000 mAh battery in about 2 hours. So moving directly to the phone, the screen measures 6.3 inches diagonally with an aspect ratio of 19:5:9 and rounded corners in keeping with all the current trends. And there is a bit of chin at the bottom of the screen. If you place the Galaxy M20 and M10 side by side, you will see that they look exactly identical. Both the Galaxy M20 and the M10 are sold in two colors, that is ocean blue and charcoal black. The one we have here is the charcoal black. So when we compare it with the M20 and the M10, the difference are the M20 comes with the fingerprint scanner, and whereas the M10 we didn't have the fingerprint scanner, and in the M20 towards the back we have the Type-C USB adapter, and we also get the speaker grills on the bottom of the display. Talking about the camera used in this phone, the primary rear camera is a 13 megapixel unit with a f1.9 aperture, and the secondary camera has a 5 megapixel sensor and covers a 120-degree field of view that is mainly used for taking wide angle photos. And if you come to the front end, the front camera has a 8 megapixel resolution. The front camera is housed within the notch, and we also get the ambient light sensor and proximity sensor. The proximity sensor is to the left of the notch, and the placement doesn't actually seem to hurt the functionality. Talking about the display clarity, is quite good and vivid for watching videos in Full HD. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2340 with a pixel density of 409 ppi. So talking about the processor used in this device, it is Exynos 7904. Finally, we have a new processor used in the Samsung device. The one in the M10 was like 2 years old, and this one is quite new. It has two high-performance ARM Cortex A73 cores running at 1.8 GHz and 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex A53 cores running at 1.6 GHz. And the GPU running is Mali G71. So moving to the software part, this device runs with the Samsung Experience UI 8.5 and the Android version is Android 8.1. They should have directly shipped this device with the Android Pie update. We still have the Android 8.1. Okay guys, that's it for the video. This is just a short introduction video of this phone, and regarding the camera quality, the benchmarking, we will be making a dedicated video in the coming week. So we have already compared the camera between the M20 and the Realme 2 Pro. For that I will leave the link in the description, and we also made a comparison video with the Mi A2 that we'll be posting it soon. And we are going to make a lot of comparison videos between M20, Mi A2, Realme 2 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. So please stay tuned to our channel. So until next time we meet, bye bye.